Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to solve this problem for the values of x and y if we have x plus y equals to 3 and xy is equals to 3 and we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. And now here first we need to focus in equation number 1, so that equation number 1 is implies that here we move this x to the right hand side and it will be written as y is equals to 3 minus x, and we call this is our equation number 3. And now we use this equation number 3 in equation number 2 and we can convert the equation number 2 into the x variable, so that equation number 2 is implies that this is xy. So here we put the value of y, it is 3 minus x is equals to 3. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and now we multiply this x on each of these values and it will be written as 3x minus x square is equals to 3. So now you see here this is the quadratic equation in x variable, but not into the standard form, so we convert this into the standard form. For this we can move these two terms to the right hand side and it will be written as, so that when we move these two terms to the right hand side it will be written as this is minus x square. When we move in the right hand side it will becomes plus x square, and when we move this 3x to the right hand side it will becomes minus 3x, and this is plus 3 is equals to 0. And now you see here this is the quadratic equation in x variable, and here we can solve this quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. So that first we can write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 3, and c is equals to 3. And now state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and now we put the values of a, b and c in this formula and it will be written as, so we have our x is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of b square, so b is minus 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 3 and it is divided by 2 times of a. So now in the next step we need more simplifications here, and it will be written as x is equals to, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 3 and plus minus square root of minus 3 square equals to 9, and this is 4 times of 3 becomes here 12 and it is divided by 2. So that here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to 3 plus minus, here we see that 9 minus 12 is equals to minus 3 and it is divided by 2. So this is equals to 3 plus minus. So here we can apply the square root on both of these values, so it will be written as square root of 3 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. And now further in the next step we have our x is equals to 3 plus minus square root of 3 into, this is minus 1 square root equals to iota and it is divided by 2. So these are the two complex values of x, and now here in the next step we need to find the other two values of y corresponding to these two values of x. Okay, so here first we can write separately these two values of x, and here we can write the positive value, it is 3 plus square root of 3 into iota divided by 2, and here we write the negative value, it is 3 minus square root of 3 iota and it is divided by 2. And now here we can find the values of y corresponding to these two values of x, so that for values of y we need to copy down equation number 3 here, so that equation number 3 is implies that y is equals to 3 minus x. And now first we can put this value of x here, and it will be written as y is equals to 3 minus x, and we put this value of x and it will be written as 3 plus square root of 3 into iota divided by 2. And here in the parallel case we put this value of x here, and it will be written as y is equals to 3 minus x, and here we put this value, it will be written as 3 minus square root of 3 into iota divided by 2. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as y is equals to, here we need to take the LCM of this term, and you see here this is 2 times of 3 becomes 6 minus, we can write the above value here, it is 3 plus square root of 3 into iota. And first we can solve this case, and after that we can solve this case. Okay, we can solve these two cases separately. And now here we focus on this case, and we have y is equals to this is 6 minus this time, so we multiply this negative sign on each of these value, it will be written as 6 minus 3 minus square root of 3 into iota divided by 2. And when we subtract these two values, we get here 6 minus 3 is equals to 3 minus square root of 3 into iota divided by 2. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is this one. So now we can move here in the second case here. So we can simplify here, and we can get the value of y. So here we again take the LCM of this term, so the LCM of this term is 2, and we get here this is 2 times of 3 becomes 6, and minus, we can write this value, it is 3 minus square root of 3 into iota. So here we multiply this negative sign on each of these values, and it will be written as 6 minus 3 and plus square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. And here we need to add or subtract the like terms. We have y is equals to 6 minus 3 equals to 3 plus square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is equals to this one. Okay, so finally we have the two solutions of the given equation are, so we have the final solution set is we have the values of x, y equals to, the first solution set of the given equation is 3 plus square root of 3 into iota divided by 2. This is the value of x, and corresponding value of y is 3 minus square root of 3 into iota divided by 2. So this is the first solution set, and the second solution set is, in the second solution the value of x is 3 minus square root of 3 into iota divided by 2, and corresponding value of y is 3 plus square root of 3 into iota divided by 2. So this is the second solution of the given equation. So these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.